The health of the production line is very important, and you have to have metrics in place that monitor that and give you indications whether you're starting to slip a little bit or things are starting to fall behind. So we have a number of different metrics that we use to help us facilitate and monitor that. And we use Kanban levels that basically are finished goods and tell us whether we've got enough product there to continue to build. We use the efficiency and the effectiveness of our production lines. We measure the output of those to determine whether we're keeping up with what our output or demand should be on that particular day. We use tack time. Tack time is basically the measurement of what our customer demand is, and if we're meeting that demand on an hourly basis. And then one, I think, pretty critical element is that isn't really part of the manufacturing process in terms of a measurement, but it's something that's fed back, is when the product arrives at a customer site, does it work, right? There's a lot of things that happen from the time the product ships from the back door till it physically gets to the customer facility. And so you try to plan and anticipate what all of those variables may be. And so we call it DOA, or dead on arrival, and we try to ensure that we have 100% uptime when that product gets there. When a customer pays $1.5 million for a product and it rolls in their door, they expect it to work. But it gets put on trucks and flies in airplanes and goes by ship, and a lot of other variables that take place. And so we look at that as really a pretty critical indicator of our success.